Hey guys, today I want to talk about what to do when a woman goes cold and how to fix it fast right now, and why this advice is very effective at getting the good results quick. A woman goes cold because things aren't at 100%, okay? So there could be multiple levels of this. Yeah, she could be seeing another guy, absolutely. But the truth is, you want to be a woman's best choice, right? And you want her to be your best choice. We're talking about options here. We're not talking about scarcity, bullcrap, weak mindsets. The thing you want to do when she goes cold, no matter what the problem is, you want to pull away. You want to go radio silence on her for a week, for a couple weeks, whatever you feel right. And when you do this, it will create an emotional response in her, okay? Now, this won't work if you had zero attraction with her in the beginning and she didn't find you attractive at all. Not even just looks, but personality. If she had zero interest in you at all, then this isn't gonna work because there's nothing really left to work with, right? But if a woman was once into you and you find her being cold, distant, pulling away, the last thing you wanna do is chase her. The last thing you wanna do is pull your phone out and say, hi, how's your day going? I just wanna see what you're up to. Or, hey, I know you started that new job on Thursday and I wanna see how it's all going. No, doesn't work. Quit texting women. I mean, that's the answer like 90% of the time. Stop doing the things that are chasing women out of your life. And I know it's counterintuitive, guys. You want to reach out to her, right? But it's not going to work, okay? So it's really simple. Don't overcomplicate it. She's going cold on you, you go radio silence on her. And I mean radio ass silence. I'm talking she can't reach you. She can't get a hold of you. And then when you're free, when you feel like reaching out to her, or responding to her, I should say, you do it when it's good for you. Like, she is not up here, okay? She doesn't deserve up here yet, period. There's no question about it. So quit reaching out to her, quit asking her how she's doing, and most of all, quit asking her what happened, okay? Are you that pathetic that you don't have any other options here? No, you're not. Even if you don't have options at the moment, act like you do, because you're never going to get from rags to riches if you continue to act like you're poor in your confidence, so to speak. Guys, it's just amazing to me that I've had this channel for over 10 years. I'm so grateful for that, but really, it amazes me how much of the same things that I'm saying 10, 11 years later since starting this channel. And it shows me that it works. It shows me that that is what I believe in, okay? I'm not here to sugarcoat things. I'm here to tell you the way it is. You don't chase women. You don't. Well, what if I lose her forever? Good. She wasn't meant to be there in the first place, okay? So don't get in the head about this. Just understand, her pulling away, her silence needs to be responded with complete ghosting. And then you might ask, well, what about when she reaches out again? What about when her attraction goes up again? It is okay to respond, but just understand you gotta change whatever you were doing before that. Odds are you were probably over-validating her. You were probably showing too much interest. So the new you that comes around, that appears after ghosting, is simply a lot more redefined and well-established, especially with his emotional control center. He's not so desperate to get with her. He's not so eager to text her right away in the next 5 minutes. No, like, you might even wait 2 days to get back to her. You might wait a day, okay? But definitely don't respond within minutes. I mean, this is a woman who's blown you off. So really, guys, the truth is, you would have been out with some other woman who's better than her, and you almost lose interest in this other one because you're just, frankly, you're just annoyed. You're just annoyed. But if you really dig this woman, I understand. I really understand. So we don't chase women. We don't chase them at all. That's not what my alpha empowerment is all about. We let women come to us and we lead, and we're masculine. It doesn't mean you let her run the show once she's there, but you never, ever, ever indicate lower status. We're about high status here. And there's no gimmicks. This isn't about fake things. This is about what works. So I encourage you guys to schedule a one-on-one coaching call with me. You can work with me. If you have any questions about your individual dating life, go ahead and click the link below me. Have a great day. Be empowered.